my 1975 Ford Falcon 500 XB. Now, I've had this car since 2010. Bought it with a 351 9-inch diff as well as a 4-speed top loader. It's got CALTRACS on the back. Just recently put on the exhaust finish at the back of the diff. Just before the diff, it is registered. It's got central locking alarm, but the battery's not connected, so I'll just open it like this. Bench seat front and rear. As you can see, the styling on the back is a bit different to than what the original is, because this one came out of a Fairmont. I just wanted the armrest at the back because this one didn't have the armrest at the back. Pretty straightforward. Seat's got a few rips in it, hence the cover, which gives it that good styling look, like the old classic look. Just a monster taco down there, fire extinguisher of course, and a custom shifter that it runs a Hurst Indy shifter, but because I believe it's for American models and they sit closer to the driver's side, which would be on that side for the Americans or the US market, or left-hand drive I should say, I had to extend this 120mm across so I could reach it and change gears. I think it was the factory manual, but 3 on the tree. Other than that, just standard cluster. The only thing that works on these gauges is the fuel and the temp. The speedo doesn't work, but I've ran a speedo cable, but the end of that is to suit an autometer gauge. There was a plan for me to take this all out with autometer gauges, but to be honest, I just drive the car the way it is. I'm happy with it. It started off as I think a 6-cylinder from factory, but I'll show you why the bonnet sticks up as well. I've got the original, the standard 6-cylinder bonnet, but I like the GT bonnet because it's got the scoops and so forth. But as you can see here, the bonnet is cracked, and the hinge just pushes it, and that's what gives it that look. But yeah, this is the engine. It's a 351 stroke to a 393 with a SCAT bottom end. The heads were recode. They're just 2V heads with mild port and polish, or just port and polish. Can't remember the cam that's in it. It's got a 650 double pumper on there. Did originally have the 750 vacuum secondary, but we ended up swapping that out. It's got MSD ignition, and yeah, like basically this car here, like I said, I purchased in 2010. Drove it for 9 hours once I picked it up, blew the motor, and then did the full rebuild. So everything on this motor since 2010 has not changed. Like I said, the block has been, the block and the heads are the only 2 items that weren't new, that we recode. Everything else that's on the engine is all brand new. Hasn't missed a beat. It's been really good. Gearbox, I've had the T56, the 4-speed top loader rebuilt in this as well. And yeah, I've just been going through clutches other than that. But this car's not built for like to be a quick drag car. It's just built to be a nice happy cruiser. So 6-seater, so you can cruise with 6 people clearly, or 5 passengers, and yeah, do some burnouts here and there. And it's got 90/10s in the front. I will start it for you, but I need to connect the battery and stuff, so I'll show you the boot. Battery's just in the boot. Yeah, pretty standard. Other than that, it's got its general rust stuff everywhere. It's got some nice big tires in the back, and here, as you can see, when I popped some tires, got a bit of tire slap. like I said, this car's was made to be driven and enjoyed, not what do you call it, show car. But in saying that too, from far it looks good. It's good from far, but far from good. Everyone appreciates it when they do see it. Yeah, so anyways, I'll put the camera down and I'll do a startup of it, and yeah, at least you get to hear it and see it. Don't know if I'm going to do any driving footage in it today, but yeah, it's just a basic cruise. I might do driving footage in another day when I take it somewhere. So yeah, put the camera down, I'll connect everything up and you guys can hear it.
talking about tyres there.